Hello there and welcome to ATG. So today's class I'm gonna tell you user interface of Audacity. So let's start. So first of all, here is the pause button. You can pause your audio from here, and this is the play button, and this is stop. This button is used to skip to start, and this is used to skip to end. And here this is the recording button. If you want to record your voice, you have to click here. Okay, so come to the next. These are the tools. So before explaining about these tools, I have to record my voice. So let's start here. Hello there. This is the sample audio for Audacity tutorial. So let's see how I record. Hello there, this is the sample audio for Audacity tutorial. Okay, so now first tool is selection tool. The selections tool is used to select your audio. Okay, and the second is envelope tool. With the help of envelope tool, you can increase or decrease your audio waves. Okay, and the third one is pan tool. Pan tool is basically used to adjust your audio waves manually. Okay, so let me tell you, before use this pan tool, you have to zoom in your audio until you get these points like this. So let's see how it's work. You can adjust your voice or your audio waves like this with the help of pen tool. Okay, and zoom it out, and now see what is here. And the fourth is zoom tool. You can zoom in and zoom out from this tool. And the fifth one is time shift tool. You can use it like this, okay, to shift your time in your audio. And the fifth one is multi-tool. Multi-tool have all 5 tools in one. And the second is output monitoring. Okay, now come to the next. And these are the zoom in and zoom out, all advanced tools you can use from here. Okay, and the next thing is microphones. Whatever microphones you are using, you can select from here. If you are using external microphone, you can select from here. And this is the recording channel. Mono recording channel is basically used to single wave recording, and stereo recording channel is used to record left and right both audios. Okay, and this is work like the same like microphones, and these are the speakers like external speakers or internal speakers, whatever you are using. Okay, so for today that's all. I hope you all like this. Thanks for watching.